After being diagnosed with tuberculosis, Newo Hutiri realized that he had to contend with waiting for 3 to 5 hours daily to get his repeat prescribed medication. Hutiri began to discover that despite South Africa's heavy investment in patient care, patients on chronic medications were struggling to adhere to their medications. Reasons included lack of privacy in medicine collection, angry and frustrated nursing and pharmaceutical staff, and inaccessibility to the clinic itself.
I was a patient who was spending a lot of time in queues, and I decided to do something about it. I decided to create a product that can ultimately serve people like me and reduce the time tax that patients often have to pay.
Hutiri then came up with an innovative idea to collect medication rather than queue for hours at public clinics. It's called Pelebox. Pelebox is a digital platform that manages internet-enabled smart lockers, which allows patients to quickly collect their repeat chronic medication. The platform works like an ATM post office, similar to cardless instant money transfers. The lockers are packed with medicine. Patients simply type in their cell phone number and a one-time password sent via SMS on the system's built-in touchscreen to unlock a cubbyhole in which their packet of prescription medication has been placed earlier. Since its invention, the Pelebox has been hailed as a lifesaver for many who use often crowded South African hospitals and clinics.
Pelebox has helped me a lot, especially when coming to save time. You don't take too much time when you're coming to collect the pellet box. I know it was very hard because always when you are going to collect your medication, you have to wake up early in the morning and then follow the queues 5 to 6 hours. But now the time it's been saved because you only take I can say probably 1 minute.
South Africa's Health Ministry has also welcomed this innovation with open arms.
The health department has welcomed our health innovation very well. They've allowed us to be able to spread it across multiple facilities. It has reached over 1,600,000 parcels that have been collected through this network of lockers. There's always demand for us to set it up in more communities. And the Department of Health has been a very strong partner for us to be able to ensure that our people can be served a lot better, a lot faster, and a lot more conveniently.
I think it's extremely helpful because, our facilities were not built or designed to cater with the volume of patients that we are currently seeing. So to decrease the burden on the facilities, any innovation or technology that can help improve patient access and at the same time decongest our facilities is most welcome. So the patient numbers are growing. Our population numbers are growing. Our facilities are not growing in proportion to that. So you can imagine the pressure that is placed on the facilities because the one side is growing disproportionately to the other side.
The Health Department says it is constantly encouraging South Africans to come up with innovations that will help them mitigate problems that the department is dealing with. Yoli Sanjamela for CGTN in Johannesburg, South Africa.